Hello guys, in today's video I'm going to show you how to easily connect your Twitter or X account to your Twitch profile. Let's begin. We just need to go to your account settings. So I want you to click over here on your profile icon, left click and choose settings. Now over here, choose notifications, already mean is connections. Scroll down a bit and you will see Twitter or X. So kindly select connect and it will ask you to log in, then grant permissions, just confirm everything, and then you can go back in here, refresh, and it will show that your Twitter or your X account is now connected. You can disable this or remove your uh, account anytime or unlink it. But that's it. I hope you found this video very helpful.